This is the double-decker bar from Cadbury. It is a milk chocolate bar with smooth, chewy nougat and crisp, crunchy cereal filling. I got this from a friend as a present from London. Let's see how it looks. I am sure it is supposed to look more delicious, but let's have a look inside. Well, it doesn't look that good, but maybe the taste is better. It is not tasting that well, but it might be because the bar was melted a bit from the outside.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone.